up, my beautiful people? Easier one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people. Wahala be like bicycle. Like I don't understand some women again. Like some children wey person go born come this life. I don't just understand them. For a pikin to abandon in your mama, like seriously, I fear or not fear this boy Abigail. I don't know for am. One old woman cry out to my darling people, I beg you wey wan watch this video. The hand wey you go take share this video, e no go kill you. I beg, let me share the video so that make the video reach this woman pikin hand. Which kind pikin go just abandon in your mama? He abandon the your mama. The woman sef don even old. She even dey say she wan almost die now self. My darling people, she say according to the woman talk, I go put the video where she take talk, una go listen abeg. Help me share this video so that make you reach the children hand. They abandon their mama because they catch their mama wish. They say their mama na wish. They abandon their own mama. My darling people, this life no balance. So the life is not balance really. How can a pikin go abandon old woman like this? You see, they give her money to shop, nothing. They abandon her. They Europe here, oh, they abandon their mama. Again, when they even call the pikin, I beg anybody wey see this video, help me share and I beg, so that it go reach, maybe before now they share and they go, it go reach the pikin hand. A pikin no suppose abandon your mama. This woman say no, they see food eat again. Now somebody even call the video and now bring the video out. Now make everybody see am. I beg anybody wey see this video, help me share am. Which kind pikin, which pastor go tell you say your own mama na wish you go abandon am? If this woman tomorrow, you will regret your life. You will so regret, like seriously. You will beg for death, make it come, you no go come. E no good. Una no dey abandon una mama again. Your mama wey born you come this life, you no meme you when you dey inside belle. And when you don come life, you come meme you. Where una no dey use una brain. My darling people, like I fear some people, sha. Before this old woman come cry out, now hunger. This woman no dey see food eat again. Hunger wan finish her. She have to come cry out, beg. Make dem help her. She's dying. He said no food, no money. All her children abandon am. Say she na wish. How somebody go now? Pastor dey cause all those things. So wetin una no see, una also una see am. I don't know why pastors, many pastors, they like to bring people home. Why? All those agents of devil there. How can pikin go just abandon your own mama? Abandon your own mama because somebody want food tell you say your mama na wish. You really believe am. You abandon your own mama. I remember once at the time they watched TV Joshua, where he bring one woman out say, you as old as you are, you never still marry up till now. He said no. He said, you know why to marry they add you. You know all your money when you get don't finish. She said yes. Now TV shall tell the woman say, you go add because your own mama, you abandon that woman. That woman suffer till meme. She suffer. So because one pastor tell you say your mama na wish, you abandon her. He say yes. He say not come again. And I be the mama hand, na be mama leg. Una see wetin pastors don cause for people. Because of that one, he can't abandon the mama. Mama can't die for hunger. You no come dey see food eat again, nothing. Mama can't meme. So I say mama can't meme. Like this a woman now. Her work, na big woman before. Her work come begin dey go down. Her business, she not gonna get money again. Everything about her finish. So this woman have to come even to marry na problem for her. She no see husband. Any man tell am say wan marry am, after 2 days dem tell am say no, dem no dey marry again. If she see who wan help her, after 2 days dem no go help am again. Na be the problem wey she dey pass through. Na Joshua tell am say na your mama na dey cause am. Until your mama forgive you, na everything go dey okay for you. Mama wey wan forgive her na mama don gbeme. Na the same matter, my darling people. Why I dey do talk this one during this thing now be say these children now wey abandon their mama, make this kind thing not come happen to them tomorrow. No let anybody deceive you. Nobody can deceive me against my own mama, my own mother, my own precious mother. Wey be say e dey stand for e children 247. Prayer, go do fasting, everything. The one pastor will come just wake up one day tell me say my own mama na wish. Then I will come really believe that pastor. Like seriously, I don't understand what this word they turned into again. I don't just understand really. Please, more than not they abandon on our own mama again. Your own mama supposed to be your precious everything. Don't let anybody deceive you. You these children we abandon on our mama now. Before old woman like this, we don't old where begin to talk for social media, you go know say the thing don't pass Joromi. I beg anybody wey see this video, make they help me share am. This woman too old, wey will come dey cry for help. She's too old. Wetin be this children problem now? How you go abandon your own mama? I beg my darling people, anybody wey know the children, because I go put the video, the woman go dey call the children name, everything. Anybody wey see am, wanna help me share the video so that make you reach the children hand. Suppose they bring the picture out, I will put the picture join am. Now they call and so they tell you they abandon her. She even dey Uronigbe now. They suffer for there. I beg my darling people. Anybody wey see the video, let me share am. I beg darling people. Take care. Let me put the video now. More now wash so that I go know you not for no one will help the old woman. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
Mama swear. If I go. I remember the agon. I remember. I be condition is there now. My boy no. Every me. Ya wu ya fe. Away dia wu ni wu. Every me. Mume adi. Ni adi check up. Obija blessing. Ogwe nega mume jo. Wakpe no kezi go lelele. Ikere na igire do iya iwu. Iri na zozo adi Ronigbe gije nani imudia ogwegun ya mukia obogun ya kia imi omo no koli me iye be no gbe bo isia be he imane no gba oge me bi awu ni wu iya adi Ronigbe ni do wujo wa iya gbon wa da me ho ate bi omo na ri no re gbo mo iri bi enia a blessing owin mo bi ni ari ewe bo owin na re gba oge re blessing oro so te owin mo ri azen re blessing oro mo di e mo moji re blessing oro owin mo ri ti e mo moji omo na ri egun me no ma ni no gun me awe mi a blessing na mo me mi o obi eni me si mi na ri eni
wala o ene sambo ma be ya je ti akamelo do epi
wala wo kene ma bo ri aje wa gun me ta ma we do gba oge le eti kan ri wu kene ma bo ri aje ma bo gbo ma bo kene ri aje wa gun me yin ya we no do gba oge le eti kan